Many of us think that computers are many times faster, more powerful and more capable when compared to our brains simply because they can perform calculations thousands of times faster. But is the computer really superior to the human brain in terms of ability, processing power and flexibility? First question rises in our mind is that what computers can do. There are several things that the computer can do better than men. Computers can work fast. Computers do not make mistakes. Computers can remember many things. Computers can do many things. Computers do not get tired. And computers follow order correctly. Now we will compare man and computer's capability. Man gets tired or bored of doing the same things again and again. Computer can do the same task over and over again without getting tired. Man is slow and makes mistakes. Computer is fast and always gives correct answers. Man forgets instructions. Computer never forgets instructions. Man cannot do different types of work with equal skill. Computer can do different kinds of work with equal skill. Computer can work fast, but it can only perform well when man will give him task. Computer runs as per the man's command, so both are equally important for each other.